The Maharashtra Gomantak Party, which has been a coalition partner of the Congress Party since 2007, has termed the Congress-led government as corrupt. The MGP on Tuesday hinted at a considerable change in its policies ahead of the elections.
The criticism of the government of which it is a part came from MGP President while addressing media persons at the party's headquarters during the induction of Prakash Velip and Pratap Mardolkar into MGP. Hoping that talks for pre-poll alliance with the BJP would prove fruitful, the MGP President informed that talks with the Congress and the NCP for a pre-poll alliance were now stopped and said that the final call on the alliance would be taken at the end of this week.
Statement.
Do you admit that it was a corrupt government?
Of course, it was a corrupt government.
The MGP has also denied the report of the Congress High Command officials meeting with the MGP MLA Sudhin Davlekar.
स्वतंत्रपणान म्हणना कारण आमची युतीची भाजपाकडे बोलणी चालू असा काँग्रेसकडे आमची बोलणी चालू ना आम्ही बोलणी काँग्रेसीकडे बंद केल्यार खूप दीस जाले आम्ही भाजपाकडे आमचो प्रस्ताव बोलणे चालू असा आम्ही 10 जागा मागल्या आणि हांव निश्चितच सांगू शकता हे दोन्ही मतदारसंघ आज जे भितर घेतल्या ते त्या 10 मतदारसंघात असा लेटेस्ट बाय दिस वीक एंड बाय सॅटर्डे संडे न्ही फुलफील जावना जाल्यार आम्ही स्वतंत्र वचपाकूच जाय न्ही आमच्या जागेरी
तुम्ही स्वतंत्र कितले तयार दवरले
आम्ही स्वतंत्र आमचे 16 तर तयारच आसा आम्ही सोनियाकडे उलोवणी करू ना सोनिया गांधीक आम्ही मेळूं ना मॅडम.
Meanwhile, former BJP member and personal assistant to Chief Minister Prakash Velip from Kepe and Pratap Mardolkar from Dabuli joined MGP at party headquarters in Panjim on Tuesday. An aspiring candidate for Kepe constituency, Prakash Velip informed media that he was eager to contest from Kepe on MGP ticket, but he agreed to abide by party instructions if the alliance with BJP materialized and the seat went to the BJP.
एक संभाव्य उमेदवार म्हणून केप्यांतल्यान एक नाव येता आणि ताजेर जर शिक्कामोर्तब जाता जाल्यार सगळ्याच्या सहकार्यान महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पक्षान जर सहकार्य दिले जाल्यार केपेच्या निवडणूक लढोवपाक हांव इच्छुक आसतलो.
एमजीपी बरोबरच जालें जाल्यार तुमी काम करतले बीजेपी.
हांवें पयलींच सांगलां जे कितें पक्षाची ध्येय धोरणां आसतले ते घेवन म्हाका फुडें वचचें पडटलें.
Meanwhile, Priol MLA Deepak Davlekar resigned as the chairman of the Kadamba Transport Corporation on Tuesday in view of contesting the forthcoming assembly elections.